Hey, welcome back to the Dutch Diary. This time, let's grab some sand from Pulau Tioman, as it is said in Malaysia. So, this time we started really early morning. It was like around 4 hours drive from KL to Mersing Jetty. Yes, from here you need to board a ferry. So, we parked our car near Mersing Jetty and took a round trip ticket from Mersing Jetty to Tioman Island. We already checked with our resort and they confirmed us to get down at Tekek stop. So we got down at Tekek stop, and from here we were having a transport facility available from resort. So it took around 1.5 hours to reach Tekek. From here we hired a bike and rode around the island. Situated on the east coast of peninsular Malaysia, Tekek is the largest village of Pulau Tioman. It is a mini township where you have a bank, ATM, clinic, dive centers, and a hub for duty-free shopping. And eventually the first day of our trip came to an end, sitting silently on the beach and living the bliss of it. Here we start our next day with a bright and sunny morning. We had a complimentary breakfast and got ready for the whole day snorkeling and island hopping package we booked. So here is our boatman, very helpful and fully equipped with all the snorkel, mask and necessary equipment. So if you are carrying any kid along with you, ensure the boatman have all the necessary equipments for the kid. Putting a note here, we always check that we must carry some waterproof bag, sunscreen, drinking water and some snacks to munch in, since this is a whole day trip, right? So you might feel hungry in between and when you are island hopping and you don't have any stall nearby. Here we come to the white sand beach and some turquoise blue water. Enjoy the magic underwater now. It is a complete different world. After this wonderful hosting from the marine world, like corals, various beautiful fish, turtles, and shark, we are back to our resort. The smell of the salty water, the wind in our face, the gentle roar of the waves, and all these combine to create a sense of ease. Talking about the resort, Swiss Cottage Tioman has got some benches on the beach where you can relax, do some yoga, enjoy your tea or coffee under the greeneries or near your room. The rooms are very hygienic and clean with mosquito nets, which is ideal for a comfortable stay. Here you have a cozy corner where you can play board games and read books from their very own small library. Also, 24/7 access to free drinking water, hot, cold, tea, coffee, which we like the most. Then comes reality. End of the trip. Back to the place where we started from. With that note, please share your comments, likes and dislikes so that we come again with some more interesting places from our diary. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.